It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Nike Zoom LeBron 4 Graffiti. Let's go. Wow. Nice. I love it. Wow, these are nice. Now, your boy got these on StockX for $165. I can't make this up. Your boy put a bid in and hit on these on StockX for $165. Now, with the processing fee, taxes, they came out to be $203. Right now, I think they're going for $245. So just imagine getting those for $245 and checking out, you're gonna be damn near close to $300. So I believe I tried to get these when they came out, and your boy, just wasn't lucky. But I have the black anthracite LeBron 4. And I gotta tell y'all, I love how they look on feet. Now, before we get to the on feet, I just wanna get a quick look at the shoe. These shoes look nice, man. They look real nice, but I noticed something else that's different right here inside the tongue. You haven't made it until you make it in NYC, 11/13/06. So whatever that means, y'all drop a comment. I haven't had time to look into it. I'm trying to hurry up and catch the playoff game. So let's go see how these look on feet. Let's go. I love how these shoes look on feet. Again, your boy went half size up, size 12. Reading the comments when I dropped the videos on the black anthracite, people say, hey man, the shoe, they look big on your feet. You should have went true to size. I struggle putting these shoes on feet. It's a struggle. But when they on feet, I can see what people talking about, because my toe is like, it stops right here. So I have all this room so I can see, but it is what it is. I was told the Fruity Pebbles LeBron 4 is coming out this year. I hope so, because we need the Fruity Pebbles here. And if your boy get the Fruity Pebbles, we're gonna just go true to size and see what happens. My favorite graffitis out of the LeBron lineup is the LeBron 11. Right now, your boy have a bid in on GOAT, size 11.5. That's my size, on the Graffiti LeBron 11 shoes. So what say y'all? Are these shoes hot or they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.